conclude this module by taking a look at worksheet management. Every new spreadsheet created from blank in Sheets contains one sheet, named Sheet 1 by default. You can create, delete, rename, duplicate, hide, and move sheets to help you keep your data organized. Each sheet is known as a tab on the Sheet Toolbar at the bottom of the browser window. You will mostly interact with your different sheets on this toolbar. A workbook is simply a collection of worksheets. To navigate within your workbook, simply click on the name of the sheet you want to go to on the Sheet toolbar. Depending on the number of sheets you have in a workbook, some may be tucked away at the edge. In that case, click on the arrow keys at the right before the Explore button to show the rest of the sheets. To add a new sheet, click on the Add New Sheet button on Sheet toolbar. Alternatively, you can go to the Insert menu and select New Sheet. A new sheet will be inserted with the default name, Sheet plus the current number. To rename a sheet, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the Sheets tab. Select Rename from the list of options. Alternatively, you can right-click on the tab to bring up this menu. A cursor appears in the name of the sheet, showing that it is ready to be edited. Type in the new name and press Enter to commit. To change the order in which the sheets are arranged, click and drag the sheet to move either left or right. Release the mouse when the tab is at the desired location. Alternatively, you can click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the Sheets tab and select either Move Right or Move Left. Take note, however, that this option moves a sheet one tab at a time. You can also copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet. This option creates a duplicate of the sheet in either an existing spreadsheet or creates a new spreadsheet and inserts that copy as the only spreadsheet. To do this, rather than create a duplicate in the current spreadsheet, right-click on the tab or click on the drop-down arrow and select Copy To. Select the option that best suits your needs, either new spreadsheets or existing spreadsheets. You can delete a sheet you no longer need from your workbook. To do so, right-click on the tab or click on the drop-down arrow for the tab and select Delete. Click on OK to confirm the command, and the sheets will be deleted. You can color code your sheets to help differentiate them. The color is shown as a bar at the bottom of the tab. To add color or change it, right-click on the tab or click on the drop-down arrow and select Change Color. Choose a color to apply it. Sometimes, you can create some sheets to serve only as a reference sheet or calculation sheet, and you may not want it shown. In such a scenario, it makes sense to hide that sheet. To hide a sheet, right-click on the tab or click on the drop-down arrow and select Hide Sheet. This will remove the tab for that sheet from the Sheet toolbar. Keep in mind that the sheet still exists. It has just been hidden from view. You can think of it as archiving. To bring it back in view, go to the View menu and select Hidden Sheets. Click on Show, Name of the sheet. It will be brought back into view. A quicker way of doing this would be to click on the All Sheets icon to the left of the Sheets tab and then click on the name of the hidden sheet to restore it. Some sheets may contain critical data that you do not want altered, either intentionally or by accident. You can avoid having the data in that sheet being tampered with by protecting the sheet or even certain sections of the sheet. To protect an entire sheet, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the Sheet tab. Select Protect Sheet from the list of options. A pane will open to the right. Provide a name for the protected sheet and click on Set Permission. Set what permissions others have on the sheet, that is, whether they will only be warned when trying to edit or not allowed to edit the sheet at all. Click on Done. You will notice a closed padlock icon appear to the left of the sheet's name, indicating that it's protected. Now, let's look at how we can protect a range within a sheet rather than the entire sheet. Begin by selecting the range of interest. Go to Data on the menu bar and select Protect Sheets and Ranges. In the pane that opens to the right, provide a name for your protected range and click on Set Permissions. In the pop-up dialog box that appears, set the permission for other users of the sheet as you want and click on Done. A closed padlock icon appears to the left of the sheet's name, indicating that it contains a protected range. And with that, we come to the end of the first module. I hope you've learned a great deal already. There's more learning ahead. Strap in and enjoy the ride.